The beach, I think. Well, you know what's even better than the beach? It's meteorologist Melanie Black. Here she is with the forecast.
Thank you for that introduction. As we look at our weather headlines for today, it's going to be warmer. We'll have highs in the mid to upper 80s, mostly sunshine, and then a little bit more of a breeze later on this afternoon. Look at our current temperatures. Already feeling that warmth across the board in the 70s, 71 in Worcester. It's currently 75 in Boston. Now, at least for now, our dew points are still rather comfortable. Most of us in that 50-degree dew point range, which puts us in that comfy range. But what you're going to notice over the next 24 hours, our dew points are definitely coming up, and that humidity as well. We look at our wind speed out of the west to southwest, not overly strong, but the breeze does pick up. Today we have ridging aloft, so we'll have mostly sunshine. You're just going to see some high clouds at times. Here's a look at that forecast. We're heading into the mid to upper 80s now along the south coast and Cape Cod with that southwest wind. Your temperatures stay in the 70s. Today's still going to be dry, but we bring back the chance for some showers and storms to wrap up our work week. We'll take a look at that timing ahead. It's warm out there, and we'll continue to climb with those temperatures into the upper 80s today, upper 80s tomorrow. We're dry today, but tomorrow we bring in the chance for some scattered storms, and we will have to watch for some of those to turn strong to severe. As we look at our current conditions, we've had temperatures that have been in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees, and we are currently running several degrees warmer than this time yesterday. So yes, putting us in that range that we're going to get warmer into this afternoon. There you see it, 78 in Boston, 81 in Norwood. The wind has been out of the west to southwest, not overly strong, but we're going to continue to feel more of that breeze later on today. Visible satellite, we've had sunshine to mostly sunshine. You're just seeing a few clouds dotting our skies. High pressure in charge, some ridging aloft, keeping us dry. We look back across the west, and you can see some of these scattered showers across Minnesota and Wisconsin. Part of a cold front. It's that cold front that we'll have to watch for tomorrow. We look at our high temperatures today, heading into the mid to upper 80s for our inland locations. South Coast and Cape Cod and the islands, we're staying in the 70s. But you'll also notice that the breeze is going to pick up out of the southwest later on. Gusts 20 to 25 miles per hour. It stays breezy through the overnight into tomorrow morning, and this is going to help to increase our dew points as well. So today we're still in that comfy range. You can certainly feel it. And then tomorrow, you're going to notice the difference as we head into the 60s, and it's likely going to stay muggy until the back half of the day on Saturday. So some changes over the next 24 hours. Tonight, because of those higher dew points, because of the breeze, it's still mild and muggy. Our temperatures staying in the 60s with our sunrise still at 5:07 tomorrow morning. High temperatures get back in this same range today, maybe a degree or so higher for our inland spots in the upper 80s, still 70s across Cape Cod and the south coast. Here it is. That cold front is going to interact with that warmth and the humidity and then fuel those scattered strong to severe storms. This puts us in a risk for 2 out of 5 for the potential for some storms, and we're looking at the greatest threats here. That's going to be damaging wind gusts, downpours, street flooding, frequent lightning, and a low risk for hail. So here it is into our future forecast. Most of the morning we can get out. We'll have to be weather aware by 2 o'clock. Watch what happens for 5 o'clock. Greatest threat for any of these line of showers is going to be off to our north and west. Still the potential for some strong storms as it gets closer to the coast, but overall losing a lot of its energy, and we keep a few of those showers around overnight and into Saturday. So some clouds, maybe a spot shower Saturday morning, but then beyond that we're drying things out, and our temperatures are heading for the upper 70s. Enjoy it. It's short-lived. We head for the 90s, heating things up by the middle of next week.
A lot of big names came out to celebrate the champion too. 7's Stephen Quinn live at Gillette Stadium with more.